This is Sunday's Weed Warrior. Now this is organic, it's a herbal soap essentially, and I'm not saying that it's got no chemicals in it, because everything has chemicals in it, but it has less harsh chemicals than the other products you get at a big box store. I was not sent this. I bought this with my own money and I was so impressed with it. After doing a test, I've already ran one of these gallon bags through my property and another area, and just was so impressed how well this worked that I wanted a video to highlight this. It says it's OMRI listed. Really easy to work with. Fill your bag up with a gallon of water, dump this bottle in here, give it a little mix, and go spray some weeds. So the bag comes with the bottle of concentrate, also comes with a sprayer, and to turn it on, push it up. Something I don't like about this sprayer here is when you turn it on, there's no trigger. So basically that is the trigger, it'll be on and it'll start spraying. So you need to always push this on, pull it off, just to spray the weeds. This section here, I typically will burn these weeds, but let's try out this Sunday product here. And just for reference, it is 158, just turned over there, and you can see on there, and then these weeds right here. Let's do this little crack across here. We have here some crabgrass, and this Sunday product loves crabgrass. So let's just spray this area here. So here we have a larger weed just on the other side of the fence. Let's spray it and see. It's now 3:49. It's pretty much done. Crabgrass and everything in this little crack here. Just dead. Crabgrass here. It's dying. It's not get as much sun as the rest of it, but it will still keep on working away. And this Sunday Weed Warrior is wasting no time in attacking this well-established weed here. If you're interested in getting Weed Warrior for yourself, I'll leave it linked in the YouTube shopping tab below. It's now 5:40, so this guy here, yep, he's dead. And no change on this crack here, but they were dead before, but now they're just really brown. I could call that basically dead, just not quite there yet. Need some sun to finish that off. Very happy with how well this Weed Warrior has performed. So if you want to get some for yourself, I'll leave linked in the YouTube shopping tab below. But thanks very much for watching. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, check out this video here next.